Hey guys, switching gears again, bottle digging at the dump. Enjoy the video, and remember to hit that like button, helps my channel quite a bit. See you in the next one. I'm back out again, digging in the dump. I'm gonna move some dirt around this time so I can set up a better deal for the bottles. I guess it's been a dreary day today, but let's see if I can find a few things, save a few things here today. There it is, right there. Let me have you. It looks like something good. Yes, sir. That looks like something really good. Yes. Oh yeah. Let's see. Dry gin. Gordon's. No way. That's the same freaking one that I have at home. You gotta be kidding me. What? No way. What color is that? The heck? It's clear. I think. Yeah. Come on, man. What? Stop it right there. I gotta stop her. Alright. Well, let's get all this out of here. What is that? That is one. Look at that. What the? Awesome. It's an ink. Cool. Alright, I'm in some bottles again. They're just deep. And what's that? It might be another ink. Oh, it is. Look. Oh, dude. That's awesome. Nothing in it, but that's cool. And nothing unembossed. Actually, I'm not sure if that's an ink. That's weird. What is that? It looks broken. Don't be broken. It's a beer. No, it's not broken. It's not a beer. What is that? That's amber. No embossing? What? A blob? What? Dang. Huh. Okay. That's cool. What is that? That's really cool right there. Huh. What is that? Unembossed. bottom. It's cool. There's nothing on it though. Huh. Alright. Okay. There you go. There we go. It's a little something. Oh, it's a freaking medium parents with a stopper on it. Yeah, okay. Dang it. Yep. Look at that, it came with the stopper on it. That's kind of cool. Yeah. It's cool. Alright, I got you. It's a long neck flask. That's pretty cool. Come on over here. Okay. Oh, I can't get it up on there. Daggone. Oh, what are you? Okay. Not embossed. What in the heck? It's not embossed. Son of a gun. There. I don't know what that is. Cork's still in it. Well, it's dirty water, so it's not good. That's a nice bottle, though. I like it. What's that right there? It's a bottle. Let me have you. Come over here, dude. Give you something embossed. Yeah. Slick. Another little slick. A tiny little one. What color is it? It might be. I don't know. It's clear, I think. Oh man. It's little. There we go. Come over here. Come to Papa. Yes. Be embossed this time. God. It's the same one as the other one. Yeah. No embossing. Dang. None. Son of a gun. There we go. No. There we go. Come on up in here to Papa. Oh, be embossed it is. Alright. Warranted flask. Alright, that's good. Yep. Warranted flask. That's good. Sharp-sided. Alright. Yeah. It's a med. I think. Where's the flask? Get up on there. There we go. Might be. It's not broken. Dang, it's an Angela. Son of a gun! Angelos, Myers, Philadelphia. Oh boy. I want to see if this is strange. Back out at the dump again. It did not rain. It does not look like it rained, at least. Okay, lights on. Got about 45 minutes of digging right now. Let's see what we can do. What's that? Let's see what that is. That's a lid. It's a something. Let's see what kind of lid that is. I'm gonna keep that. That's a lid to something. It's nice. I like it. It's gonna be embossed right there. Look at that. What the heck is that? Let's be careful on it. It's in there though. Stuck in there pretty good. What is it? Way different than I thought it was gonna be. That son of a gun is awesome. Holy crap. It's a crown top with embossing. What the heck? It says Sanford's inks and library paste. What? It's a crown top. That's really cool. I like it. Alright, come on out of here, buddy. What is that? It's embossed. Alright. Barely. Yes. Oh man. It's a cool color too, maybe. Yes. Phelps. Runic Elixir. Rheumatic Elixir. Scranton, Pennsylvania. John Phelps, pharmacist. That might be green. That's a blue. That's really cool. I like it. Alright, been a good day for bottles. Heck yeah. We're done. Let's go. Whoa, there's one. Look at that little sucker. Oh, amber. That's cool. Oh, it's not embossed. Dang it, this is amber though. I like it. Dang it. Wait, Yes, it is embossed. Oh, yes. It's embossed all the way across the top. Oh, man, what does it say? It says... This is actually a Savannah bot. Oh, it's Philadelphia, USA. I have more embossing on it. Philadelphia. Something Brothers. Alright, it's not a local, but it's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh. Silver? It is silver. Whoa. 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 That's silver. Awesome. That's cool. It's silver. I see the silver coming through. I'll wash it off at home. Maybe there's some markings on it or something. That's interesting right there. That's really interesting. I like that. Huh. Awesome. Yeah. I don't know. What is it? It is a bottle. Look at that. Let's see if it's got embossing. Come here. Give me the papa. Come on, come over here. Turkey. Oh. No embossing. I'm back on the bottles though. No, don't do that to me. There we go. Gotcha. Gotcha. It's all there good. What? It's another one of those beers. Unembossed. Oh well. Let's go. That's a bottle. That might be a full bottle there. Huh. Alright, yeah, I got it. Come on up to me. That looks like a good bottle. What? It's got to be embossed. No way. It's got to be embossed. Dang it. Hey guys, let's start this wrap up here with this first bottle, this little amber med. It's lightly embossed at the top here, you can see. I think it says Bant Brothers and White, Philadelphia, USA. Pretty cool bottle. Next one is Sanford's Inks and library paste. So this is a huge ink, master ink bottle. Amber, It had one small bruise on it right there. Actually, it's kind of a large bruise, but anyway, it's nice patina or Venetia color to it. Got another Lee and Perrins sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Had the stopper in it. You can see here. This little bottle. I don't know what this is. It's an early machine made because it's got a pat date of September of 1889. You can see there. Amber little jar. This cool little ink. It's got iridescence all over it, or patina. It's beautiful. Hand blown. It's got a number 3 at the bottom. Still had the cork in it. This strap-sided whiskey flask, warranted flask embossed on it. Blown in a mold. Probably early 1890s, I would say. I'd say probably with this kind of bottle. I don't know how many I found of these. Angelo Myers, Philadelphia. Angelo Myers, blown in a mold. Tool top, look at a brown tool top applied. Looks like. On the bottom, I don't think it says anything on the bottom of this one. It's got a number 852, I think. Got this lid. Anytime I get lids that are all there, I save them. It's got some emblem on it. It looks like either a T3G or TEG. Maybe it's this way. E something. If anybody knows, please comment. Arguably the find of this video. This cool pure sterling silver sash buckle. It's a large one. And I think it's a sash buckle because of the middle wasn't real structural. And it did break off, or the solder came off there. Anyway, this sucker's heavy. It's almost an ounce of silver. Nice find. Continuing on, this Mellon's Foods. Early, blown in a mold, applied top. This is one of the early ones, probably 1890s. You can see it's a small version, like a sample. Mellon's Foods. Nothing on the bottom. There's some numbers on the bottom. Baby blue or powder blue. And then you got this med from Scranton, Pennsylvania. John H. Phelps, pharmacist. Phelps Rheumatic Elixir. It's a beautiful powder blue color. Real clean bottle. No damage. It's got something on the bottom here. SCCO. It's probably the manufacturer of the glass. Anyway, beautiful. Tool top, square tool top. Cool bottle. I got this baby blue or powder blue. I don't know if it's a flask or if it's some kind of a perfume. It's large for perfume. It says Ayers on the bottom, or Ayer, not Ayers. You can see, but it's all very iridescent patina. It had the cork on it on the top as well. I've got 3 beers here, all amber, all blob top beers, all slick. The bottoms were a little bit different, I guess, for all of them. This is P and Company, or as I say, R and Company number 2. This one's just a little bit different, but it's all pretty much the same thing. Slick. The manufacturer on the bottom. Something R and Company 33. You can see there. And then this one, actually this is exactly the same as this one. So they look the same, I think. Yeah, they're just about the same. Made by the same company, R & Company, number 5. All 3 of these are pretty much the same. You can see here. And we've got this Gordon's Dry Gin bottle. Probably 1890s, turn of the century. I found another Gordon's Dry Gin in a previous video in a different site, and this one has a hog's head at the bottom, number 4. Pretty cool, huh? I've seen these dug by other diggers on YouTube. It's just a clear blob top medicine bottle. Dr. PP, Dr. S, sorry, SB and Company. And then PP at the bottom. Fairly common, I believe. Probably turn of the century, late 1800s. And then last, this soda bottle. It's slick. I don't know what, probably ginger ale. It's aqua color. And the bottom has a bunch of writing on it. It says CS at the very bottom. And then there's numbers 3836 at the top and CS and Company LD. Sorry, that's what it says on the bottom. That's what's embossed. Perfect shape. This thing's thick glass, really thick. I don't know how old that would be. I'd probably turn of the century as well, somewhere around there. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys.